Just waiting for my water. And the geese are annoyingly loud. Hear that? I'm sure you can hear that over the mic. They've been doing that all night. Of course, they had to pick this side of the lake. Like, hey, I think someone's camping over there. Let's fly by and let's do Canadian flybys. Squawking our heads off. Eh? Alright. I think I hear the satisfying sound of water boiling. Well, it's not quite a boil, but it's a hot beverage, so it doesn't have to be a rolling boil. Drinking out of the Stanley bowl because it holds more fluid than the green cup. There we go. Get that back on the fire. What do I do with it? A little bit of salt. Alright, cheers. This morning's breakfast, if I can reach it, it's gonna be oatmeal. So yeah, with the oatmeal, a little bit of brown sugar, cinnamon. I got a little peanut butter, to-go peanut butter thing. Oh, I'm gonna mix in there because I love that. It's probably less than $1 for the whole thing. So bring food from home, man, if you can. Why not? Oatmeal's light. It's delicious, good for you, and it's cheap. So, I mean, yeah, all I had to do is boil water for the mountain house, but it's like at $10 a pop. I took this I took this picture with my phone yesterday. I was gonna buy Mountain House biscuits and gravy, but $9.99 for biscuits and gravy meal. Man, rice and chicken, which is one of my favorites, but $11.99, $12, $10.99 for the, which is funny because it's the same thing. Rice and chicken, $10.99 or $11.99. Yeah, even the damn granola was $9.99. It's ridiculous, so I didn't buy it. I said, yeah, that's a load of bollocks. I'm not paying that. We got ourselves a purdy boil. Well, I'm gonna get this, get my oatmeal going. I don't do that instant crap. This is old-fashioned. Especially the stuff with the packets. That stuff's just nothing but sugar. So oh yeah. That's gonna fill the belly up nicely. Alright, I came over and stirred it. I'm going to call it done. It's thickened up nicely. Personally, I hate how everything cooks much faster. on one side than the other. But that's just camping for you. I'll throw the rest of my wood on just because. I had more than enough wood for breakfast. Come on, get on there. Sweet. Alrighty. Voila. So, you gotta have brown sugar in your oatmeal. I don't have very much. Just enough to take the edge off. Also, I can reuse all the bags for next time. So, if I can open it, there we go. I can just put everything right back in the bags once I'm done. So I can just reuse the bags over and over again. It's money. You want to know? And then I get these Jif to go containers. They're actually really cheap. I've seen them at the dollar store too, but they're like a couple bucks, Winco. I've been putting peanut butter in my oatmeal for a long time. I sure like it. It adds a little protein, adds a little fat. And you could probably use this container to maybe set traps with if trapping was your thing. Just, I don't know how you'd hold it down, but you could probably rub a stick in there and get out all the little residue. And then, you know, as a bait stick, because, you know, who doesn't like peanut butter? I try to get out of it what I can. Yeah, I figured this whole breakfast probably was around $1 or under $1 or maybe a little less. You know, not to talk trash about the Mountain House, but it could really be any backpacking freeze-dried meal. Now, first of all, I didn't have to pack this. I probably carried my backpack 100 yards into the woods. You know, no big deal. Maybe not even 100. Maybe like 50. It's not that far from the car, so I can bring, you know, whatever weight I want. Then, anyway, I was saying about the freeze-dried meals is, you know, if breakfast was $9.99 and lunch was $10.99 and dinner was $10.99, well, that's $32 you spent in food. Or my breakfast cost me $1. So, you got what? Man, there's so many ways, so many things you can do to eat cheap out here. I mean, no norm meals are $1. Packet of chicken, $1, or a can, $1. Bring some vegetables out. You know, I got a cooler. Actually, I got a cooler in the car with some fresh vegetables I never got to. $20 cook pot or whatever, you're good to go. That's hitting the spot. I'm gonna go sit closer by the fire and enjoy my breakfast. Well, it seems like I cut the perfect amount of firewood. Had enough smalls to get my fire going. Had enough fuel to boil my water for hot chocolate. Actually, I made army mocha coffee hot chocolate mix. Got the idea from Steve, 1989. Made my oatmeal. Now I'm just sitting here relaxing after I've eaten, so I can slowly start moving stuff back to the car. I gotta put away my chainsaw and a few other things I gotta put away that I don't need right away. And I was gonna go over my hammock set up with my buddy. He's asking about underquilts last night, so I told him I'd show him that. Oh yeah. Alright, so my fire is dying down nicely. I'm just gonna kind of push all the coals into one pile. I'm gonna run a few things to the car and then go down and be social. I'll just let that burn out. I'm all out of firewood anyway, so we have like no fire danger, so I'm not even the least bit worried about it. So that'll be burned out in no time.